Hi guys, this is QTV8 guys. Tricks natin ngayon guys ay dalawa. Atraso, utang. Di ba yan ang kadalasang atraso? Utang. Okay guys. 3 moves tayo. Tapos ang sagot ay 1-3-1. Sa minuto lang tayo guys. Okay, first move natin. Si ganun guys. Ano last? Okay guys, thank you. Utang 4 moves equals 1,711,671. Okay guys, first move tayo. Second move natin guys. Third move. Last move guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless and bye bye. See you next time guys.